A gardener's dream, unveiling the Hosta Dream Queen. As a gardener with a penchant for shade-loving beauties, the Hosta Dream Queen has always held a special place in my heart. Its captivating foliage and resilience make it a constant source of satisfaction in my garden. But the journey with this magnificent plant wasn't always straightforward. There were questions, confusion with similar varieties, and a constant thirst for knowledge to cultivate it to its full potential. So, if you're considering welcoming the Dream Queen into your garden, allow me to share my experience and some helpful tips. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is a Hosta Dream Queen? The Hosta Dream Queen is a medium-sized perennial that boasts a mesmerizing display of foliage. Its thick, heart-shaped leaves are a captivating blend of blue-green margins and a creamy yellow center that varies in intensity. Young plants showcase a broader central area, while mature ones develop a more subtle yellow stain. This captivating contrast adds depth and texture to any shady corner. But the visual appeal doesn't stop there. The Dream Queen graces the garden with delicate white flowers atop slender stalks during midsummer, offering a touch of elegance to its leafy crown. A common question that arises with the Dream Queen is its relation to the Hosta Dream Weaver. While they are undeniably similar, there are subtle distinctions. Both varieties boast blue-green margins with a creamy center variegation. However, the Dream Weaver tends to have a lighter-colored center compared to the Dream Queen's more intense creamy yellow. This slight difference might be a deciding factor for some gardeners seeking a more pronounced contrast. How to care for your Dream Queen Hosta. The good news is that the Dream Queen is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here are some key aspects to ensure it thrives in your garden. Light. As a shade-loving plant, the Dream Queen prefers areas with filtered sunlight or dappled shade. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Well-drained, fertile soil is ideal. Amending your soil with compost or organic matter can provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Watering. Consistent moisture is crucial, especially during the first growing season. Water deeply and regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Feeding. While not essential, a balanced fertilizer applied once a year in early spring can promote lush foliage growth, creating a dreamy garden with companions. The Dream Queen's beauty shines even brighter when paired with complementary plants. Here are some ideas to create a harmonious composition in your shade garden. Ferns. Ferns, like the Japanese painted fern or maidenhair fern, add a touch of graceful texture and a vibrant green contrast to the Dream Queen's blue-green tones. Heucheras. Heucheras, also known as coral bells, come in a variety of foliage colors, offering a playful pop of color alongside the Dream Queen. Opt for shades like burgundy, lime green, or purple for a captivating combination. Astilbes. Astilbes, with their plume-like flowers in shades of pink, purple, or white, bring a touch of vertical interest and a burst of color during the blooming season. Foam flowers. Foam flowers, with their delicate clusters of white flowers, create a whimsical feel and complement the elegance of the Dream Queen's white blooms. By incorporating these suggestions, you can create a stunning and harmonious shade haven in your garden with the Hosta Dream Queen as the centerpiece. Beyond the basics, propagation and pests. For the more adventurous gardeners, propagating the Dream Queen is a rewarding experience. Division is the most common method. In early spring, carefully dig up the mature plant and gently separate the clumps with a sharp knife. Each division can then be planted in a new location, allowing you to expand your Hosta collection. Thankfully, the Dream Queen is relatively resistant to pests. However, keeping an eye out for slugs and snails is recommended, especially in areas with high moisture. A Hosta fit for dreams. The Hosta Dream Queen is more than just a beautiful plant. It's a testament to the captivating world of shade gardening. With its stunning foliage, delicate blooms, and low-maintenance nature, it's a dream come true for any gardener seeking to create a tranquil and visually striking haven. So, why not invite the Dream Queen into your garden and witness its magic unfold?